How's it going, everyone? I'm going to show you how to get started with this new sheep game. It just came out on Avalanche about 2 days ago. So be sure to watch this video. I'll post some links down below. And if you have any questions, just let me know as well. So to get started, this is the game itself. The interface, sheep game. You can see I have some sheep that are staked. I have a wolf that's staked. And then it kind of shows you the general information regarding the game. So this is where you will ultimately be minting the sheep itself. Now to get started, you are going to need to have Avalanche. Now to get Avalanche, you can buy it on any exchange. I myself did it on Qcoin, but essentially you need to get Avalanche. You can do it on Coinbase as well. Now, what we're going to be using is MetaMask, the extension for Chrome. You can see I have it right here. It has the information you'll see. And essentially you need to get your Avalanche sent over to your MetaMask. Now, when you set up MetaMask to get started, you're going to see it really can only hold Ethereum. So you'll see Ethereum mainnet here, which has your Ethereum holding. I have a few there. Now, Avalanche is not by default on MetaMask, so you need to get that added. So what you'll do is I'll put a link in the description as well. This is the website you'll use to set it up right here. Looks like this. And now the only part you really need to focus on is this section right here. So what we'll do is we'll go into MetaMask on the extension. We'll go down, click next to your name if you're in mainnet. We'll go to add a network. It'll bring up the network add right here. Has 5 different fields, and all you're going to do is take the information from this page and just copy it right over. So show you kind of what I'm doing here. I'll do it there, go back over, copy this exact extension here. If I can actually click it, and you'll do that for all of them, right? So I'm not going to do the whole thing because I already did it, but essentially you'll copy them into correct fields. Chain ID will go into chain ID, symbol will go into currency symbol, and then block explorer URL for snow trace will go there as well. You get it added, and you'll hit save. I already did it, so it won't let me do it. So once you do that, you'll get your Avalanche. You'll send that over to your MetaMask. You can see your Avalanche network will pop up here. Now, the one thing to know is when you do send your Avalanche to MetaMask, you need to make sure that you are sending it under the C chain. So when you do send it via Qcoin or wherever you send it from, I believe Coinbase won't let you select which network chain ID to send it on, but I did it myself and it sent over fine. But C chain for the chain ID to send it over as. So once you have your Avalanche on MetaMask, the next thing you need to do is you need to purchase aWool. Now, what aWool is officially called is that's the in-game currency for sheep game. And what you'll be able to do is once you have enough wool, you can mint a sheep or a wolf. Now, right now, minting, as you can see here, it's 40,000 aWool. So in order to get the wool itself, you'll need to do that on TraderJoe. Again, I'll post a link below. And you'll see this is TraderJoe XYZ/trade. Like I said, you'll have a link right below. You'll connect your wallet. And then what you'll need to do is purchase from AVAX. So you have it set up for AVAX here, swap into wool. Now the one thing you need to know is that when you do it through wool, you have to add it manually. So I'll have the code right here, I'll put it in the description. You'll come here, you'll do search name or paste address, you'll paste it, and you'll see aWool. You can also add it so you don't have to worry about it as well. Pasting it every time. Get it added, and then you need to figure out how much wool you need. So right now it's 40,000. So if you do 40,000 aWool, you'll need roughly 4.7 AVAX at the time it is recording. My screen, I don't have enough, so I can't do it. But if I went ahead and did something like 1 AVAX, or how much do I have? I have 0.3. So let's just say I want to do 0.2. You would hit swap. You'll do confirm swap and let it go through. Now, the one thing you might have to do is adjust the slippage rate. Up here, slippage defaults to 0.5%. You might have to do 1% if you get some errors there. But essentially, you'll swap it, swap, confirm swap, and once you have enough of the wool itself, you'll go over to the sheep game here, And then this screen right here will say mint, and then you can essentially click mint, and you'll have either a sheep or a wolf, and you're good to go. And then you can go ahead and stake it and start collecting wool and get going. So if you have any questions, let me know. I just wanted to kind of put a tutorial out there here so everyone can get started with this game. That's very fun. And let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to comment below, and